Hello guys, my name is Satendra Punya and I'm your anchor, I'm your host, and each day as you can see that I'm uploading content and I'm hoping that my audience are watching. Look guys, content creation is not a easy journey. I'm giving a very reality check. Look, I as a honest I'm telling you I have to started this content creation in 2017 or 18. Yes, because I'm telling you because it if I started that time I'm sure my channel is now become a very huge and large number because you see content creation in a 2000 and still look people who are not starting in 2026 they will cry after 4 5 years because there then no hopes. I mean 2000 after 2030 I'm telling you no hope in content creation and in this field. So people who are starting in look I started in 2025, okay, and for 4 months I started it and I am keep uploading and making video and just making thumbnail because it's very necessary, because it's very demanding, because look this this will never will be rusticate for any platform. I'm giving you a very reality check. Look, you can't depend on government job, okay, and private job. You really think you that you can depend on private job because anything can be happen, and I really don't think so that you are a slave and you really want to live like a slave, okay, because in private job you always have to give 50,000 20,000 and you will had a lot of back bitching and disgrace also. So I'm hoping that people who are starting in 20 still in 2026 is the best year. So if you are making video and uploading, I really don't think so that you're gonna feel any regret because look guys, people who are not run with time, okay, you know the most precious thing in this life, most precious thing, you really think money, your relation, your all the luxury that you have or you really want to purchase it or buy it. No, no, no. In the life, most precious thing is time. Because once time is gone, then you will not do anything. I mean, you can't do able to do anything. So learn quickly. Learn this quickly. This world is just quickly. I mean, in 30 become like 100 years. Okay, your life gonna be magic. Live your own term. Go wherever you want to go. Dance with anyone them. Spend time with anyone them. Play it, sing it, dance it. Live like that. No one in this world. Okay, live like this that you are the only man in this whole world. Live like this life. So in 30 become just 100. Otherwise all you really, I mean I really don't even know people who are, when I see that 18 years 19 years 100 years and their skin is old, their jaw is line old, their body parts are missing. I mean I really don't think so. What kind of people? And look, I'm not belong to a very rich family, very lower middle class family. You can easily see that I belong to very lower middle class family. Okay, I'm not so, but as much as you will grow, then of course your life gonna be magical. I'm telling you, magical. Just if you just if you have a maturity to understand everything, then otherwise one thing I'm telling you, always just find this thing. You will always, whenever you want to leave, you want to have fun with your friends, always there is some kind of old man and some kind of disturbance. You always gonna see that what are you doing, because inside they look, inside they feel jealous about you. Okay, this is the fact, this is the truth. People who really you think that always just poking you and always just bullying you, trying to that what are you doing, you shouldn't do it, where your manners, where your character certificate, you are a girl, you are a lady, you are a boy. People, all these are hypocrite. Okay, all are hypocrite. They if they got a chance, they will do. You can't even imagine. You can't even imagine if they got a chance to do this kind of thing. They what they gonna do. And if you have just seen my dozen of videos, I talked about 2 or 3 videos about sex education. Look, first of all, leave that all the porn. Okay, if you are watching porn on your social media, on your laptop, PC, just leave it as much as you can. Okay, because look, if you I'm giving you a very deep secret which I think no one will tell you. And if you just watching my content, then you can easily see that the information and knowledge I giving you, no one will give. Look, if you are a man, okay, if you are a man and you have a good body and good muscles, look, girls will always sit you automatically. Girls will attract to men. This is the thing. I really can't tell that where this come from, but this is a fact. Okay, so don't watch ever pornography. Just delete all this film. And secondly, don't be these masturbation and all these ridiculous thing. These all are ridiculous thing. I'm just clear in your mind. Just make your body like iron. Okay, girls, women, always gonna follow you. You will always attract to that. But look, these just live life, yeah, like your own term. Okay, be a hero, and you are a hero. Inside you have a hero, so find out that hero. Look, if you just can't be like a hero, at least try to be a man, a good, nice human being, smart one man. At least you can do this kind of thing. And 50,000, 60,000, it's not a big thing. Okay, so you have to adopt this kind of skill. Okay, look, if you are man, then you have on at least 3 or 4 basic skill, basic talent. 3 or 4 talent you really must have. It feel good for you, it feel good for society, it feel good for nation. Okay, so at least pick up 3 or 4, 5 talents. Look, why we are different from animal. Okay, look, animal have this kind of quality: eat it, sleep it, just make a baby and die it. This kind of quality animal have. Animal do this kind of quality. But if you are a man, have a brain, you are a human being, then at least make your life like a dream, like a full of experience. And one thing I'm telling you, don't follow any of religion. Don't follow this any caste, don't follow this any religion. because no religion, no caste will give you a two-time meal. Okay, if you just don't think that I'm just giving just go to any temple, go to any masjid. Okay, I mean people, I mean what kind of mentality and what kind of mindset this is, that people doing a lots of milk to that shivling and that statue, but outside many beggars are just want two kind of food. I mean just see their handicapped handicapped people who have no hand, no leg. Okay, just watch them. So then you will see that you really have to follow this kind of religion, this kind of caste, that are you really think this is the smart decision? You really think this is a smart decision? So yes, if you are just follow and my channel, and please like, share and subscribe my channel so I can make a more content for you. And please tell me in the comment section so I can improve myself also, because look, no one here is perfect. Okay, yes, many men who are Mr. Perfectionist tag, but one thing I'm really telling you, that you have to adopt that skill, you have to adopt that talent, you have to adopt that basic skill if you really want to grow in your life. Otherwise you're gonna always struggle in your life. Okay, thank you very much.